Helo, Melda Lois Dwi'n reiddiol o'ch Rellan Uwchlyn, ond yn byw yng Nghaerdydd ers tua 10 mlynedd wan. I've always loved music. I've always sort of written songs since I was able to. I've always been quite shy and introverted with my music, just sort of writing on my own and not sharing them with anyone. I think it took me a while to get to a place where I was comfortable doing that and comfortable with myself as well, to get to a place where I felt ready to share. Symbiosis di'n EP cyntaf a mae o'n teimlo reit special. Mae'r teitl yn cynrychioli sort of yr holl berthnasau yn y mywyd fi, fy merthynas i fo'n hun, efo'r bobl o gwmpas fi, efo'n amgylchedd fi. Dwi'n meddwl, yn fwy na dim, mae merthynas i fo'n hun falle wedi arafu'n siwrna i yn rhyddhau cerddoriaeth. A mae bod mewn lle rwan, lle dwi wedi gallu rhoi yr holl brofiadau i gyd mewn i ganeuon yn teimlo reit special. The songs on the EP span a sort of good chunk of my life where I went through a lot of change and sort of figured a lot of stuff out, and all of that is basically captured in the songs. It feels kind of bizarre but also quite special to have a collection of songs that sort of covers that period of growth in my life where I've changed a lot from those earlier songs to the later ones. It's almost to the point that, you know, they sound like songs by completely different people. I think that just represents that growth. It kind of feels quite special to me for that reason. Bydd yr EP allan ar y 3 o Fai ar Bandcamp yn unig yn gyntaf, a wedyn fydd o ar gael i'w ffrydio yn Mehefin. I hope you take the chance to listen and find some part of yourself in the songs as well. Diolch. Bon wy ma chefi Gad dy ofnedd o